Hi all and welcome to the video. In this video I will show you how to download and install Docker on your Ubuntu operating system. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and search for Docker and click on this search result link from docker.com. Inside the docker.com website you can see download Docker desktop button. Just mouse over the button, you can see different options and we will click download for Linux option. Here if you scroll down a little bit, you can see supported platforms and we are going to download .deb package for Ubuntu. So click on this Ubuntu link. This will take you to the install Docker desktop on Ubuntu section. Scrolling down, you can see the prerequisites you should meet before installing Docker desktop on different Ubuntu versions. First of all, you should meet the general system requirements, have an 86 to 64 system with Ubuntu 22.04 or 20.04 or the latest non-LTS version. If you are using non-GNOME desktop, you should install GNOME terminal. You can install the GNOME terminal by executing this command. You can skip this step if you are using GNOME desktop. I am going to skip this step for now. Now we can go to the install Docker desktop section. Here you can read the installation steps for Docker desktop. The first step is to set up Docker's package repository. It says see step 1 of this installation link. So I will click on this link. Let me open this link in a new tab. So here is the first step. As you can read the description, this step will set up Docker's apt repository. Now instead of running these commands one by one, we can run these commands all together as a bash script. So minimize the browser, open the terminal, navigate to the downloads directory. So cd downloads, create a bash script by running touch space. Let's name this as docker-installation.sh. Type ls, you can see the bash file created. Now we will check the permissions of this bash file. For that, run command ls space -al space name of the file, that is docker-installation.sh. You can see the file is having only read and write permissions, but we will need to make this bash file executable. For that, type sudo chmod +x, then name of the file, that is docker-installation.sh, and press enter. Once again we will check the permissions by executing ls space -al space docker-installation.sh. Now the file has changed to an executable file. Now I will open this .sh file in default editor. So type open docker-installation.sh, which is the file name, and press enter. Once the docker-installation.sh file is open in the editor, we will copy the setup docker's repository script that is opened in the browser and paste it in the docker-installation.sh file which is opened into the editor. Now save this file by pressing Ctrl and S. Now you need to execute the docker-installation.sh bash script. For that, type /docker-installation.sh and press enter. Now provide Ubuntu password for sudo user. Now all the commands listed in the bash script is executed successfully. So let's go to the Docker installation web page again. So we have completed the first step in the install Docker desktop section. Now we are again on this install Docker desktop page. So the first step we have already completed. Now as the second step, we will need to download the DEB package. Click on this DEB package link. This will start downloading the .deb file. Once the Docker desktop DEB file is downloaded, go to the downloads folder in the terminal. Type ls. You can see the downloaded file listed here. Now we will install the downloaded package. For that, you can go to the third step in the install Docker desktop web page. You can run these two commands to start the installation of the Docker desktop. Let me copy paste and run the first command. And press enter. Enter password for the sudo user. Now we will run this second command, sudo apt-get install the name of the downloaded DEB file and press enter. Now it will ask for confirmation. Type Y and press enter to confirm. Now it will start installing Docker desktop on your Ubuntu operating system. So wait until Docker installation is finished. It may take a few minutes. And now the Docker installation is finished. You can go to the show up section and search Docker on the search bar, and you will be able to see the Docker desktop icon here. Now click on the Docker desktop icon. It will launch the Docker desktop. Now accept the Docker license terms and agreement. Click on accept. Now Docker will prompt to create a Docker account. The Docker account will come necessary when you want to push your Docker images into Docker Hub. So I will skip it for now. Click skip. Click skip. Now the Docker engine will be started and it will launch the Docker desktop interface. In this Docker desktop interface, you can use this navigation to see all of your containers, images, volumes, and so on. You can open a terminal and type docker -- version to see the Docker version. So you have learned how to download and install Docker on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.